Welcome! Today we're making a quick and flavorful shrimp fried rice that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. It's loaded with juicy shrimp, colorful veggies, and seasoned to perfection. The best part? It comes together in just 30 minutes. So, grab your ingredients, fire up your skillet, and let's create a dish that's better than takeout. Ready to cook? Let's get started. Alright, let's get started on our delicious shrimp fried rice. Here's what we'll need. First, grab 2 cups of cooked rice. Day-old rice works best for this recipe. For our protein, we've got half a pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, seasoned with soy sauce and sesame oil. Next, for our veggies, we've got half a cup of diced carrots, half a cup of peas, and a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, with the whites and greens separated. Don't forget the 1/4 cup of finely chopped white onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to add that lovely aroma. For seasoning, we're using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a splash of oyster sauce, a touch of fish sauce, and just a pinch of sugar to balance it all out. And of course, you'll need 2 large eggs, beaten, for that classic fried rice texture. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil ready for stir-frying. Let's get cooking! Let's start by cooking the shrimp. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. While that heats up, toss your shrimp with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little black pepper for flavor. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp in a single layer. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Don't overcook. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. We'll bring them back later. Next up are the eggs. Push any leftover shrimp bits to one side of the skillet or remove them for now. Add a little more oil if needed. Pour in the beaten eggs and let them set for just a few seconds before scrambling them with your spatula. Cook until the eggs are just set but still soft, breaking them into small pieces as you go. Once done, remove the eggs from the pan and set them aside as well. Keep that heat going. Now let's get those veggies nice and flavorful. Add a splash of oil to the pan, then toss in the white onion, garlic, and the whites of your green onions. Sauté for about a minute until everything smells amazing. Next, add the diced carrots. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften. Finally, toss in the peas and cook for another minute. Keep stirring. This is where we build all that delicious flavor. Time to bring it all together. Add your cold day-old rice to the skillet. Break up any clumps with your spatula and stir-fry until the rice is evenly heated and coated in the oil. Now, drizzle in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce if you're using it, and a little sugar. Mix it well to make sure every grain of rice gets that seasoning. Finally, toss the cooked shrimp, scrambled eggs, and the green tops of the green onions back into the skillet. Stir everything together for another minute until well combined. And just like that, your shrimp fried rice is ready to serve. Lastly, here are some quick tips to make your shrimp fried rice perfect. First, always use cold, day-old rice. It's less sticky and easier to stir-fry. If you only have fresh rice, spread it out on a tray and cool it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Second, cook the shrimp and eggs separately. This keeps them tender and prevents overcooking. Third, stir-fry on high heat. This gives you that smoky, restaurant-style flavor. Don't crowd the pan. Work in batches if needed. Fourth, prep all your ingredients ahead of time. Fried rice cooks fast, so you won't have time to chop or measure while cooking. And finally, adjust the seasoning to your taste. Add more soy sauce for saltiness or a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. With these tips, you'll have fried rice that's perfectly seasoned, fluffy, and packed with flavor. Enjoy your homemade shrimp fried rice.